Have you ever opened your Canva account and realized half of your projects are named Untitled Design? Yeah, we've all been there. But today, I'll show you exactly how to rename your projects in Canva, quickly, neatly, and without any confusion. Let's get right into it. When you have a design open in Canva, look right at the top of your screen. You'll see your project's current name, usually something like Untitled Design. Simply click on that text box. It'll become editable, so you can type in your new project name right there. Once you're done, press enter or just click anywhere outside the box and Canva will automatically save the new name. Super easy. But what if you want to rename something you're not currently editing? No problem. Head back to Canva's homepage and go to the projects section, sometimes labeled your projects. This is where all your saved designs live. Find the project you want to rename, then click the three dots or pencil icon beside it. From the options that pop up, select Rename. Now, just type your new name, press enter, and it's saved instantly. Renaming your projects might sound small, but it's a huge time saver when you have tons of designs. It keeps your Canva workspace organized and helps you find the right project in seconds. And that's it. Now you know both quick and smart ways to rename your Canva projects. If this helped you clean up your workspace, don't forget to keep exploring more Canva tips to make your design workflow even smoother. See you in the next one.